The question is the DMGT question for the probability. So the question is, a committee consists of an expert taken from 3 institutions, A, B, C. So 3 institutions are A, B, C, and committees formed from these institutions. Okay, so out of which from A 2 has been taken, from B 3, and from C 4 are taken. Okay, so the committee will consist of 9 members, right? Because 2 plus 3 plus 4, so it will be 5 plus 4, 9. Okay, so committee contains 9 members. Total members are 9. So that means, and 2 are taken from A, 3 are taken from B, and 4 are taken from C. Okay, so now what is the next part? The next part is, if 3 experts resign, then the probability they belong to the different institutions. Okay, so 3 experts resign. So what will be the sample space then? The number of sample space will be NC3, right? Because total 9 members are there, 3 members resign. So this will come as 84. Now event is what? That they belong to 3 experts resign and they belong to different institution. They belong to different institution. Means 1 resigned from A, right? And 1 resigned from B, and 1 resigned from C. And initially how many have taken? 2, 3 and 4. So from 2 1 has resigned, from 3 1, and from 4 1 has resigned. So I have to select randomly, right? So that will be a case of combination, because randomly we are choosing the member. So 1 from A and 1 from B and 1 from C. So this and is very, very important. Okay, so that will be multiplication, right? So 2 were there, so 1 randomly got selected. Then again 3 was there in B, so 1 randomly got selected and resigned. And 4 were there, so 1 got randomly selected. And multiplication is there because I'm using. If I'm using OR, then it will be a plus. Okay, so it will be 2 into 3 into 4, so it will be 24, right? So probability of E will be what? N of E by N of S, right? So this will be 24 by 84. So this got cancelled out, I think, by 2 by 7, right? 12 and 12, yeah, correct. So answer will be what? A. Thank you.